I'm Jim Koch, and today we're talking about mortise cylinders. Mortise cylinder is a lock you're going to find in a commercial application generally. Occasionally you will find these in some of the higher end residential locks, some of the real fancy big handles and that. The mortise cylinders has a lot of advantages. It takes a standard key just like a normal lock. The beauty of this is it's designed to be rekeyed over and over again, which is pretty common when businesses change managers, change ownership. You want to change the locks. Mortise cylinder is a real simple system. It's just the lock in itself, and then it goes into whatever type of latching system the business has chosen, or the manufacturer or the contractor. But yeah, it just basically, you take the two screws out of the back, you pull the tail piece off, the plug comes out, you can rekey it, put it back together. These are my favorite key or locks to work on because they're simple, they're quick, and they always work the same no matter what brand you have. They're all a very similar system of dismantling and reassembling it, and they're a good solid strong lock, hard to defeat if for a burglar to break into.